In today's video, I'm going to teach you sending disappearing photos, videos in Instagram. If you've ever wanted to share a quick moment that doesn't stick around, Instagram makes it easy with built-in disappearing media. Here's how to do it and what each option means so you can choose the right level of privacy for your message. Start by opening the Instagram app and heading to your messages. Tap the messenger icon in the top right corner of your home feed to open your DMs. Pick the conversation where you want to send your disappearing photo or video. This works in both one-on-one and group chats. Inside the chat, look for the small camera icon next to the message bar. Tap that to open the camera. From here, you can capture something new or use something you already have. Snap a photo or press and hold to record a video. If you prefer to use an existing photo or clip, select one from your gallery instead. Instagram's camera also supports creative touches like filters, text, and doodles, so feel free to personalize your shot before you send it if you want that extra flair. Before you hit send, look at the options along the bottom of the screen. You'll see three choices that control how your media behaves after it's viewed. View once means the photo or video disappears right after the recipient opens it a single time. This is great for truly fleeting moments. Allow replay gives the recipient one more look. They can replay it one time and then it disappears. This is helpful if you think someone might need a second viewing to catch the details. Keep in chat does not disappear. It stays in the conversation like a regular message, which is useful if you want everyone to reference it later. Once you've chosen the option that fits your goal, tap the send button. Your disappearing photo or video is on its way. A few quick tips to use this feature wisely. Even with disappearing media, people can still capture content using screenshots or screen recordings. Instagram may indicate if a screenshot is taken on certain disappearing media, but it's always smart to share only what you're comfortable with. For clearer photos and videos, make sure your subject is well lit and steady your hand. And remember, choosing keep in chat means it won't vanish, so select that only when you want it to stick around. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.